Oh, what do we got? Hey YouTube addicts, welcome to Garage Hub. I have a tool haul from an online auto parts distributor that claim to have all the auto parts your car will ever need. Let's get into it. Right there, ROCKAUTO.com. Okay, so some people know it as, getting parts for your truck, your car, whatever you've got. But they also sell tools on that same website. A lot of the tools that you can buy from there are PT, or Performance Tool. They got some other brands too, but they also have another brand that is popular amongst mechanics. It's actually an OEM manufacturer for a lot of the bigger names like Matco and stuff like that. I'm sure most of you can already guess that. But let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what we got in here. This ought to do it. Yep, perfect. I got a little bit of a flare going on. That'll be all right. Oh, what do we got? So much air pack. Okay. Focus. Lisle. Let's see. Get this out of the way. That's right. You can purchase Lisle through ROCKAUTO. I'll show you guys the pricing on these later on, but these are for the CX-9. I'll do a video on that another time. But let's look at what we got. We've got a Lisle 28600 disc brake piston tool. Lisle 44500 small hose clamp vise. Looks pretty nice. And we've got a Lisle 48020, a brake caliper hanger set. Pretty nice. And then we've got the Lisle 19802. And that is the threaded super funnel. Look at that right there. Made in USA. Pretty cool. What else is made in USA? Yeah, this one's made in USA as well. Clarinda, Iowa. Very cool. About this guy. Oh, it doesn't say anything. Interesting. Oh, this one's made in China. Okay, so they sourced this guy out to another country. Oh well, let's open these up and take a look at them close up and see what we've got. Open up these parts here. Tools, sorry. Still thinking ROCKAUTO and parts. I did get parts though. I got some spark plugs, so here we've got the brake tool. Go ahead and look at this here. It says rotates piston back into the caliper when replacing pads. Push and turn tool to rotate piston into caliper. Now this hooks up to your 3/8 drive ratchet or extension, whatever it may be, right into one of the squares. And you're able to use it on a variety of them. So I've never gotten one of these, so that's pretty cool. Help when doing brake jobs on calipers that need the piston to rotate and be turned at the same time. That's the same thing, pushed and rotate. That's what I meant to say. Okay, next up is the small hose clamp vise. This one looks pretty cool. I know they have a large one, but they did not have the large one from the same warehouse. This looks pretty nice, machined. It's got a reverse thread screw in there, and it just opens up and closes. Will you focus? There we go. So as you spin this, it'll hold your clamp. You can get some pretty tight spots with this. I'm guessing. I'll have to give it a try. But then you can go ahead and work your clamp off while it's being depressed. Instead of trying to have, a set of needle nose or those long hose clamp pliers with the cable that goes out and it clamps in. Those can be a little weird to work sometimes, but this looks nice. Probably oil up the threads a bit. Should be good to go. All right, brake caliper hanger set. Yep. Wow. Okay. There we are. Pretty nice. It's got some good length to them. That'll work great. It looks like they are just black coated for corrosion. Got a little wear there where they were touching against each other, but that should be all right. Pretty cool. Last is the super funnel. Now it says that this funnel, the larger section, screws into threaded oil filler openings found on many Ford pickup, Dodge, Jeep boys, and Chrysler fall-apart cars, minivans, and SUVs. Holding the funnel upright for quick, mess-free oil fills. The diameter of the smaller funnel is narrow enough to fit even the smallest applications, including transmission filler holes. Okay, so here in the middle, focus. There we are. It unthreads. And so we've got some threads there. We'll try that out on a few of the vehicles we got. Looks pretty good. And then this portion, yeah, it looks pretty small. That'll fit in the old blood stick checker for the go forward, go backward device. Cool, that'll work. Like I said, I got these from ROCKAUTO at the same time that I was buying spark plugs for the Mazda. Now, one thing you got to do is when you're buying these things is they'll have different warehouses throughout the United States, and it just so happens that the spark plugs, the clamp, the brake tool, the caliper hangers, and the funnel were all in the same warehouse. So I paid $10.99 for shipping for all these items, and I'll go ahead and put up the pricing. That I purchased all of these at, and they arrived relatively quickly. I was surprised. Shipping was pretty quick. I think it only took about 3 days or so for them to arrive. So that was cool. I know there's other places such as VatoZone. They sell OEM tools, and OEM is a decent manufacturer. I know a lot of mechanics that buy or use OEM tools. As a matter of fact, I have a couple OEM tools. But you guys let me know down in the bleacher section what other places or distributors or anything like that that will have tools that you can buy from them that may be cheaper than buying them through, say, a tool truck or the old jungle store, instead of giving Bezos your money. In fact, all of these were approximately between $5 and $10 more through the Jungle Mart and it just didn't make sense. Even with the Prime and getting the 5% back, this was, all of these were a lot cheaper going through Rock Auto. So go take a look over at Rock Auto. Just search in Lisle. If you're looking for a specific tool, you'll enter Lisle and then the item number, and it'll pull it up. And then from there you can see which warehouses have it and make the best of your shipping costs. One thing I forgot to mention on this little clamp is that it does have a 1/4 square drive at the end of the knob. That's handy. So you can put your 1/4 inch ratchet or an extension, whatever have you, into there to move this guy about. Cool. Anyway, there'll be some more videos coming out with more tools and other places that you could possibly purchase these tools. So there we have it. I'm not sponsored by Rock Auto. I just wanted to get this information out to you guys so you can buy your parts, throw them in your money pits, and get out on the road. Thank you for tuning in to Garage Hub. Stay tuned for more content. Have a good one.